Did someone say Costream? So you're looking to collaborate with other streamers, but you don't want to become a partner to do a squad stream. You're just looking to have fun, stream with your friends so that you could bring your communities together. Well, you came to the right place. Here's some collaboration secrets that a lot of beginner streamers don't know about. With Costreaming, you can play together with your friends or collab with other streamers, and your viewers can even watch both streams while keeping an eye on both chats at the same time. A lot of beginner streamers think that co-streaming is when you put the other streamer's name in the title of your stream. Well, this is false. Here's the correct way to do a co-stream on Twitch. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. My name's Wesley, aka the CalmCoolSavage, and I'll be your Twitch hack for the night. This is the new series on the channel dedicated to helping amateur and beginner streamers on Twitch. If you've never heard the term co-streaming, basically co-streaming is a feature that lets you air another broadcast on your channel as a way to collab with other streamers. Some co-streamers provide unique commentary, or you can just co-stream together as teammates. Co-streams are a great way to meet new viewers and get more exposure. It can also be a lot of fun because you're hanging out with other streamers. So you want to learn how to set up a co-stream and view it so that you can see both streams at the same time and read both chats at the same time? Let's talk about that. Now, to get started with setting up a co-stream, you're going to need to download OBS Studio or XSplit. These are the two free broadcasting apps that are compatible with co-streaming on Twitch. Personally, I recommend OBS, but if you like to use XSplit, then I'll explain how to co-stream with that towards the end. Once in OBS, look towards the sources panel on the bottom left. Go ahead and click the plus sign and go up to add browser. A new window is going to pop up, and if you look where it says URL, this is where you put your co-streamer's Twitch URL. Once you find a streamer you would like to co-stream with, go ahead and post their URL right in the URL section. Click OK, resize, and you are now broadcasting the co-streamer stream onto your stream. I'm just using Summit 1G as an example. Seems easy enough, right? But to make this an official co-stream, there's one more step that you need to take. Go to your creator dashboard and click on Edit Stream Info. Where it says Search Tags, look up co-stream. Select co-stream, click done. And this is the biggest secret to co-streaming. A lot of beginner streamers don't know you can co-stream this way. Now you can go ahead and start your stream and you're officially co-streaming. If you don't want the co-streamer's stream to be viewable on your stream, but you want your viewers to be able to see both streams at the same time, there's a perfect website for this. The website's called MultiStream, and I'll put the link in the description down below. This website allows you to view multiple streams at the same time. I'm going to use Dr. Lupo and Summit G1 for examples. All you have to do is copy their URL and paste it into Stream 1. Press enter. For Stream 2, we're going to grab Summit's URL, copy that, paste it in Stream 2, hit enter, and click on Watch Streams. You can now view both the streams at the same time.
But I can't.
If you want to see both chats, there's different setups. If you don't even want to read the chat and you just want to watch the streams, you can set it up that way as well.
Pieces up there.
To make it so your viewers can also see both streams, I recommend making a command like !co-stream and putting it in the title of your stream. That way when a viewer does the command, all it does is pop up the link in your chat to this web page so that your viewers can see both streams at the same time. If you would like to know how to co-stream on XSplit, it's pretty similar. First, you got to make sure that your version is 3.01 or higher only, or else this won't work. Locate the add button just like in OBS, select web page this time. And where the URL field is, you add the URL of your Twitch streamer you would like to co-stream with. Then do the same exact thing, go into your dashboard, put the co-stream tag, then begin streaming. It's that easy. You are now officially a co-streamer. And that's the secret to collabing on Twitch. A lot of beginner streamers don't know about this, and I didn't even figure out this myself until recent. So it's a good tip for those of you who are trying to collab with other streamers. I also stream on Twitch as well at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage, and I'm always looking to collab with other streamers. I'm on the way to 3K follows, so check the link in the description. We have an amazing community and it's growing every day. I do a lot of gaming, just chatting, and skateboarding streams. I like to play with the viewers, so if you want to come over and check out the channel, come on in, join the fun. I would like to see you guys in the stream. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you like the video and this helped you out in any way, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, feel free to punch out the sub button. Remember, we're all amazing people capable of amazing things. I'm your host, CalmCoolSavage, signing off.